I'm actually doing some science right now. You caught me in my science moment. But actually, this allows me to actually share with you a really interesting mistake that takes place actually in science, actually looking at some containers where you can imagine science is taking place. And so, in fact, it's always important to wear, of course, goggles when you're doing science. So maybe, in fact, I'll keep these goggles on while we think about this interesting question together. Let's see if we can find the mistake that Samuel makes. Let's check it out together. Okay, so container A, which you can see right here, is full when 1 liter of water is poured into it. Now, Samuel says that you can pour more liters of water into container A than into container C. And the question is he correct? So let's look down at this experiment. I have my goggles on. C, where's C? Do you see C? Oh, it's way over here. Okay, now he says that we can pour more liters of water into A than C. Now I'm going to pull this out and do a little experiment. So let's see. So here's A, and here's C. All right. Now what I see, first of all, is that, in fact, in terms of the kind of left and right size, check it out, C is the exact same width, if you will, as of A. So they're the same. But what about the height? Well, it's plain that C is a lot taller. So in fact, if we know that A is filled up and has 1 liter, then what do we know about C? We know that container A is going to be actually therefore smaller than C, and so therefore C, in fact, will hold more than 1 liter. More than 1 liter. Now I'm going to slide this over so it can have its own space. And so, in fact, we can see that good old Samuel was not quite correct on this one. Container A is actually smaller than container C, and therefore it will hold, so therefore container C will hold more than 1 liter of water when filled because it's actually larger, and so it will hold more water. And so, great guess, but we see that, in fact, it's not quite right because we can see that this container is definitely smaller than this container, which means that this will hold less than this, and if this holds 1 liter, that means that this has to hold more than 1 liter. Well, science and math go hand in hand. In fact, the only way to really understand science, in fact, is to really understand math. So congratulations on understanding math and understanding science that much better. And have fun thinking about science and math, and I will